This week, exclusively on 24trace.tv, historical footages from the French archives. We stay in the past, where we can enjoy a fantastic series from the 90s. We travel on high speed from Munich to Nuremberg with the ICE, we spot steam locomotives in England, and finally we have a great compilation of collected footages from the camel train in the Netherlands. Done watching? Then read a magazine from our extensive collection. For example, Model Railroad magazine MRH Running Extra. Subscribe now and watch with no ads the best train content from only €4.99 per month.